Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to set up and use the ability to start FSD from being parked. So this is what we got in a recent update. What we're looking to do is to get this little icon on the screen here where it says Start FSD. And when this is available, it'll be a blue button that we can click right there. So to get this on the screen, we're going to open up our menu by clicking on the little icon of the car in the bottom left-hand corner. And in our menu, what we want to do is click on Autopilot. You want to make sure, of course, that you're selected on full self-driving. And then right here towards the top, it says Start FSD from Park. And we want to make sure that this is toggled on. And clicking on this little information there, it says when enabled, a button will appear on the map once the driver is buckled and the driver requirements are met. When the button is pressed, FSD will engage once the brake pedal is pressed and released. So to show you what this looks like, I'm going to navigate to an area right around where I currently am. So let's just drop a pin in the map at this parking lot over here. And then we're going to navigate to that location. And you can see that the Start FSD button has now turned blue when we're able to use it. And if I minimize this map, that button is going to show up right here where we can start and press it from there. So you need to hold this down until it's good to go. So I'm going to show you what this looks like holding this down. So it says be attentive and keep your hands on the wheel. But now it will reverse our vehicle, making sure it's safe, of course, before it does that. And then it'll put us in to drive, and it's going to navigate us to where we are going. And when it gets to our destination, the goal is, of course, for the car to either find a place to pull off or park in a parking spot, and that will be the end of that navigation. So again, quickly to go over how to set this up, opening up our menu, it's going to be in that autopilot menu. Under full self-driving, you just want to make sure that this switch is toggled on that says Start FSD from Park. And then once the vehicle is parked and you have that destination set, if everything is good to go, this button right here will turn blue. You hold that and the car should be able to reverse if it needs to out of whatever parking spot or garage, get out of your driveway, get out of a parking lot, and continue on with its navigation path from there. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.